Hello everyone, welcome to Shaaz Talk of Industries. Today we are going to focus on how games are developed, what are the key rules and skills a gaming company required to develop and ship any game. If you enjoy playing video games and wanted to build your own or otherwise be involved in the process of game development, perhaps you should pursue a role in the gaming industry. As gaming industry is going at pace, opportunities are also growing at same level. As per the expert survey, employment rate is increasing by 9 to 12% every year in this industry. Landing a role in this industry can be a challenge, but there are ways to get your work noticed by gaming professionals. Before knowing what role suits for you, let us have a look at organizational structure of the gaming so that we can easily judge which role suits the best to our strength and interest. A standard gaming company mainly consists of two types of departments, functional and technical. Functional team is all about operations and management, whereas technical team is a core team which is responsible to create content and develop games. Managerial team consists of game producer, project managers, chief officers, directors. Game producer is the owner of the company or who invests on producing games. Chief officers are the key roles at Tier 1 level management structure and holds major responsible in decision making and execution. Managers like project managers, resource managers, account managers, sales manager, or director holds authority at Tier 2 level and are responsible for planning, hiring, execution, resource management, and customer management. Another crucial team of operations is marketing and sales, responsible for market analysis, sales, leads, and sponsorship generation. Now let us have a look at technical teams, which are highly crucial for creating game content and developing games. Technical team consists of game designers, game artists, and game programmers. When it comes to game designing team, it is mainly consists of two roles, game designers and level designers. Game designers are responsible for game strategy, visuals, and theme. They will have their own research on and come up with game designing document which tells in detail about characterization, theme, visuals, and strategy of the game. Game designing team also have role like level designers. They will design and set up environment as per the game design document. What is required to pursue a role as a game designer or level designer? To become game designer or level designer, we should have knowledge on game engines like Unity or Unreal. On top of that, game designers should have good gaming knowledge to come up with ideas. Next part of the technical team will be game art team. Game art team can be divided into two teams, 2D art team and 3D art team. 2D art team will have roles like concept artist, graphic designer, and UI UX designer. Concept artist will come up with illustrations, concepts of the game as per the game designer's document, and later on stages these illustrations are used as the references by the rest of the team for further development of the games. Graphic or UI UX designer will design marketing posters, UI and UX designs required in gaming for navigating users, or if it is 2D game, graphic designers and concept artists are responsible to develop entire content without any need of 3D team. What is required to pursue a role as a 2D artist? In general, 2D artist will require to work on 2D softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustration, Corel Draw or Sketch, etc. So it is must to have knowledge on 2D softwares to become 2D artist. 3D art team will have roles like modeling artist, texturing artist, rigging artist, and animator. 3D modeler will convert 2D illustrations and concepts given by concept artists into 3D models. 3D modelers uses 3D computer aided softwares like 3D Maya, 3ds Max, Blender, Artbox, and etc. to design 3D models. Texturing artist will paint models given by 3D modeler and will make to look as per concept and game design document. Texturing artist uses softwares like Substance Painter, Photoshop, Mari, etc. to texture models. Rigging artist. Rigging artist adds bones which are necessary to animate any character or 3D model. Rigging artists will require to use softwares like Maya, Toontastics, and etc. to rig models. Animator. Animator will animate models as per game design instructions. Animator will use softwares like Maya, 3ds Max, Blender to animate models. Last but not least, game programming team is responsible to make game functional as per game design document by using game content created by 2D artists, 3D artists and game designers by developing required softwares. Game programming team contains senior game programmer, junior game programmer, network programmer and testers. What is required to become game programmer? To become a game programmer, we should have good knowledge of programming languages like C#, C++, JavaScript, and game engine knowledge like Unity and Unreal. Game programmer also required to have good knowledge of maths and physics. If you are passionate and highly interested in building a career in gaming industry, you need to develop skills with respect to your area of interest in the process of developing games, which can be gained by pursuing a degree or taking part-time courses at your comfort. If you are looking for any part-time course without disturbing your current job, you can check platforms like Udemy and Academy, Unity Learn and Pluralsight, etc. If you are looking to pursue a degree and become artist or game programmer, there are many colleges and universities offering different programs in multimedia and animations and game programming. Thank you for watching. Please encourage us by subscribing, sharing and commenting to make more videos on different industries and respective opportunities.